What's up, you guys? Welcome back to WideBody Nation. We are talking and showing kill switches today. And if you guys don't have a kill switch on your cool car, not just Mopars, but if you have any type of car you care about, you better get a kill switch on it. I am sold on kill switches. So today we're going to talk about kill switches in general and pros and cons, and then I'll show you the one I have on here, which is TrackHawk GPS. Yes, I said GPS because it is both a GPS tracking service and a remote kill switch all in one app, thanks to TrackHawk GPS. So I appreciate them for sending out and installing my TrackHawk GPS and remote kill switch system in my 2022 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat Redeye WideBody jailbreak, just to get all those names there. And without further ado, I will show you around the app right after I tell you about kill switches. So obviously, kill switches are useful because either the thief will not be able to start your car if you have the car already in a killed mode, right? Whether it's more of a mechanical kill switch where you have to flip some sort of switch, which will connect the circuit to allow you to start your car, whether it's a fuel pump kill switch, whether it is a starter kill switch, whether it is a battery kill switch. That would be a mechanical kill switch. So there's literally a switch you have to flick. Or you might have a remote kill switch of some sort that could be hooked up, again, to the battery, to fuel, to starter, to some critical component that would require your car to either not run or to stop running or to not turn back on, because there's kind of different strategies here. The kill switch that TrackHawk GPS and kill switch provides is a starter kill. So if someone was able to start your car because you did not have it killed once you parked it, it would just not start the next time. Now, I'm going to demonstrate it to you in a second, but if you had it already killed and you, like, say you parked your car, for instance, at this gas station, and then you turned it off on the app, you said, hey, engage kill switch, people would not be able to start it unless they physically hot wired around that device, / remove the device, which the device is buried in the car. It is not one of those kill switches that are installed. You know, some of the kill switches that we have kind of floated on the channel, sometimes like an easy one is to just peel this panel back and install it right behind here with your, your engine start stop kill switch here, or your engine start stop button. It actually just disables this button right here so you can't turn the car on, but that's relatively easy to hotwire. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump onto the TrackHawk GPS app. So I have it on my and I have it on my phone. We got TrackHawk GPS. Go ahead and click that. And as you guys can see, we are here. This is the WideBody Nation kill switch. And we are at a Shell in Tennessee. If you want to see where you have been, you can go and into your trip history there. I'm not going to do that because it'll show you all the places I've been, which I'd prefer you not to know. But yeah, so if you need to, you go to commands. So if you need to kill the car, so right now here, I'll demonstrate to you that the car is in full run mode. So I'm going to put my foot on the brake. Car is going to start right up. Now, I am going to go ahead and send the command to enable the kill switch. Command has been sent. Car is still running. I'll give you guys another 5-10 seconds to show you that the car is not just going to kill itself, because that could be detrimental to the car. Obviously, it could be terrible while driving, stuff like that. There are kill switches that can let you kill it while driving. They're fuel related, and I don't know, those ones, they tell you don't use this unless it's an actual emergency because it runs your engine lean. So let's go ahead, shut the motor off. Give it 2 seconds to realize that it's been killed if it hasn't already. And we'll go ahead and I'll show you the starter button. All right. And car does not start. My foot is on the brake, you guys can see, and I'll just keep cycling it. The car is getting frustrated because it just keeps turning this thing on and off. But yeah, you can't start up. See, that just reset it. Boom. Boom. Foot on the brake. Nope. Won't do it. So as you guys can see, this thing is highly effective. We will go ahead and disable KillSwitch. See how fast it works. Wow, that is literally instantaneous. So I didn't realize it was going to be that fast. A lot of these apps sometimes can be slow, but TrackHawk GPS is not one of them. That is for sure. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off so you guys can actually hear still. But as you guys can see in the app, very easy. And then they have this nice, it's just straight up integrated with Google Maps here. So you guys can see, I mean, it's not bad at all. I like when apps take a good product like Google Maps and just integrate it right in. So with that being said, you know, how do you get the TrackHawk GPS system and stuff like that? Because when you get it, currently it's $99, and he sends you this little package, and it has the unit, the GPS and KillSwitch module, which I'll show you in a second. And it also has the wiring things that you need, a little bit of directions, but it's really not that bad. I had it professionally installed because I wanted to be able to give you guys an honest review, and I didn't want any problems to be introduced by maybe me not being great at installing a electronic kill switch. So if you guys need to, I would go ahead, if you don't feel 100% comfortable installing a starter kill switch, then I would go ahead and contact, look around your area and look for like a good speaker, audio, stereo, alarm, auto alarm shop, because that's what I did. The gentleman who sent this to me, he just called around Tennessee and he found a shop that does alarm systems and speaker systems and custom wiring work all the time. They installed it no problem. I think it was like 180, 190 bucks. And yes, that is real money, but at the same time, it's done right. You guys see how fast the system works. So the money is worth it to some, at least. Now, if you're really handy, go for it. This is what you get. I'll turn it right here. So that's what you get. Pretty simple. Takes some wiring, but not anything too crazy from what I understand. Again, I got it professionally installed. And that device, I believe, currently on his website is 99 bucks. And I'll go to TrackHawk GPS for you guys real quick. And it is a subscription service. Some of you guys got upset with me when I didn't mention, or maybe I didn't make it obvious enough, that a lot of the tracking services are subscription-based services. But that is kind of where the value is. You know, like you're running you're using their app. The app is free. So if you guys pay monthly, currently, I'll see if I can get a coupon code from him. But honestly, this is a pretty reasonable deal, especially because the kill switch is involved. A lot of companies will just do GPS tracking and it doesn't include the kill switch. $16 a month if you pay yearly, and $20 a month if you pay monthly. Now, some of the things you guys get are all the features: real-time tracking, route tracking, geofences alerts, custom notifications, which you can enable to your liking, 24-hour technical support, and I've worked with them personally, and like they've been great so far. Unlimited users, lifetime warranty, and free upgrades. Now, upgrades, I do not know what is coming, but I would assume that if this is like one of their first products, it might only get better. So whether you guys are fleet, Turo host, a concerned parent, a concerned owner, a cool car owner, there's really no reason to not have a kill switch on your car, because people steal any type of cars. Now, obviously, I'm kind of in the Mopar space with this theft deterrent stuff. So having a kill switch that I can activate from my phone is 110% amazing feeling for me. But now I'm even thinking of getting it on every other car I have, including my wife's car, just because like having a good tracker and a good kill switch on your car is like the ultimate FU to any prospective criminals, because they're going to feel dumb when they get the car to the next place, if they even get your car, and then they can't turn it back on. And they're going to get caught way faster because you have multiple GPSs on that car. You have the native GPS like Uconnect or whatever it may be. You have an AirTag in here. You have an easy tracker like some OBD2 tracker, maybe something else. And then you also need to have something that's actually like hardwired into your car, snuck somewhere where they can't find it easily. So then you have like 3 or 4 trackers and a kill switch and your Destroyer1320.com neutral strap cover and tinted windows and wheel locks, just making it such an inconvenience to steal, and a guarantee that the car is going to get tracked, that it's going to make thieves, if they know your car is like that, it's going to make them move on to another car. And once these thieves start getting caught more often than not because people are protecting their cars appropriately, it's going to become a much riskier proposition for them to try to steal your car. So they're going to have to relegate that to more planned out operations, or just not do it at all. They're gonna have to figure out a different way to, I guess, make their money instead of getting a job or starting a business like the rest of us. So with all that being said, there are many kill switches out there. There's many different ways to do your kill switches. You know, some people do their own. I really like having the ability to go ahead and operate this one from my phone. TrackHawk GPS and remote kill switch seems to be a great value. You know, it's, $100 to get started with the device, and then you pay, $16 to $20 a month to go ahead and have a kill switch, the free app, the snail trail tracking as well. So like, let's say your car did get stolen, you can watch the car moving live. Some of these other apps or companies, they charge way more for that type of tracking. So like, you could only see like where the car was 30 seconds ago, and then you just have to press refresh and then the car like jumps. Whereas this one, you just literally watch the car moving around. Like if I drove around right now, it would just look like you're driving around on Google Maps. And then you could look back, say you want to look back at what your teen is doing or whatever, or what your fleet has been doing. You can see all the different routes they went, all the different trips, and it breaks it down by trip. So overall, great experience so far. It's nice to be able to just show you guys super quickly how useful it is, because it's pretty hilarious. It doesn't work with remote start either. I can show you guys that as well. So let's go ahead and kill the car one more time. All right, let's see, loading up, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the remote start. All right, we go ahead and send command, enable kill switch. All right, kill switch is enabled. All right, we just locked the car. Nothing. You guys can see that. I'm pressing it twice. Car's all type of confused right now. All right, we're gonna go ahead and disable kill switch. Oh, literally disabled it and it started right up. It was like the car was waiting. That's interesting. And then I'm gonna go ahead and press run. Yep, car runs fine here. So, I mean, very, very effective kill switch. This thing is like instantaneous. All right, y'all. Well, pretty much concludes today's video. I mean, pretty self-explanatory, but I would say it is, at this point, if you have a Dodge, a Mopar, a TrackHawk, a Durango, a Ram, whatever, and you don't have a kill switch on your car, you're just waiting for it. I literally get sent DMs on Instagram a lot. Instagram's the main one. Hey, please repost this because my buddy's car got stolen. It's like, okay, I'll repost it, but like, did they have, like, how many trackers did they have on the car? Did they have their car protected with Destroyer1320.com? Did they have a kill switch on the car? Like, where was it parked? Where was it stolen? And a lot of times, even these like popular YouTubers, they're like, oh no, I was about to install the tracker, or like, the car's usually at the shop. Like, no, you need to protect your car, or you should probably sell it, honestly, because these, like, Mopars especially, but even, Mustangs, Camaros, Corvettes, anything that people consider nice, people are thinking about stealing it. So, spend a little bit of money, protect your car, and make it so that thieves are getting caught more as well. Protect it so that it doesn't get stolen, and also make it so that it's inevitable that these thieves get caught. So with that being said, I appreciate TrackHawk GPS and KillSwitch for sending out my my system here and for facilitating the install and all that. Their info will be linked in the description and in the pinned comment. If I get a coupon code or any type of savings for y'all, I will also put that in the pinned comment and put that in the description as well, obviously. But for now, I want to get the message out to you guys, and I want to spread awareness that this is a very valuable product to go ahead and like take your level of protection from here to here. I used to be a Turo host too, so like this just is like screaming at me of how useful it is/was. But appreciate y'all for tuning in. Stay safe out there, and I will see you guys for the next video.